Hey, hi, welcome to my channel. If it is your first time here, hi, is Moreen. My name is Moreen. It's the YouTube babe right here. Drum rolls. Ta, 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 ta. And in today's amazing super quick style, I'm going to be showing you how to style your hair with a bandana like Tupac. Woo, 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 woo. Yes. Anyways, guys, I'm just to dive right into it, and as we do that, just like the video. I really appreciate it if you give me that thumbs up for free. Oh my goodness. Also, you can talk to me in the comment section, you can share out there, tell someone about this channel, be like, you know what, it's this girl who creates tutorials, you can go check her out on YouTube. Her name is Moreen. Anyways, make sure that you also do subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any upcoming tutorials. Okay, la 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 la. So the question is, what do you need for this particular style? And I'm here to answer that, right? Anyways, what you need is, if you have your hair like woo woo, it's just me, myself, and I, solo, right till I. Anyways, you can choose to hold your hair or not, okay? But I would really prefer it if you just held your hair. If you're bald, way better. So you need something to hold your hair. I'm really sorry about my voice. I got kind of cold, so you'll do more of the watching than the listening, I guess. So you'll need the headband to hair clip or something just simple to hold your hair at the back, of which I've said it's not a must. Unless your hair is this much, it's not a must. The other thing you need is a bandana. Yeah, that is a must. Okay, the other thing that you need is a flat surface. The need of the flat surface is to place the bandana right there and do things easily. But as for me, I'm not going to place it on a flat surface. You'll just watch me do it on air, and maybe you can also do it the same way. The other thing you need is, what else do you need? Maybe a mirror to look at yourself to see the outcome and all. What else do you need? You need to check the description of this video. After watching the whole video, I'll be placing a link to a playlist with more tutorials. Maybe you can find another tutorial that you'll also love. You can try it another time, okay? But that is after watching this video to the very end. That is the bonus link, okay? So now grab your bandana. Mine is this one, it's purple in color. Actually, these have decided purple. Okay, most of my videos I've done it with purple, right? But anyways, purple is my new favorite color before I change. Anyways, this is my bandana. Make sure that the inner side is the side in which the swing is being seen, faces towards the front. And then make sure that if you're holding your bandana just like I am, make sure that that inner side is facing towards where you're facing. Okay, maybe it's towards the mirror or something. And if you're placing it on a flat surface like this, make sure that the inner side is facing towards the top. Okay, the next thing that you do is now time to make some folds. With this like this, you rotate it to form something like a diamond. Okay, now you make something like a diamond like this, and then from the top drop it down to meet the other tip. Okay, with it in this shape, this tip to meet the bottom tip, this tip to meet the bottom tip. Okay, so do that, and then you'll have a shape like that. Okay, and so this you'll have different shapes now. It seems like, is it a triangle or something like that? Okay, and then the next thing that you do is just fold from this tip to the lower tip like this, from this area to the lower tip. Or the other easier way we can do this is just place it right there and then pick this sharp tip and let it touch the upper tip, the upper area. Okay, and then you'll have something like that. Anyways, we'll continue from there. I want us first to hold our hair now. Well, if you have lots of hair like this, you can choose to hold the hair at the back or at the center. As for me, for this style to look like, for you guys to see it clearly and all, I'll be holding my hair towards the center. And as we do that, please like the video. You can talk to me in the comment section, tell me how is your progress and all. Remember, you can also talk to me via my socials. The link is in the description. And also, what have I not said? comment down below, subscribe. Yeah, make sure that you share us out there and subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any upcoming tutorial. So my hair, what I normally do is flip it. At least right now it's not painful, but they have done another tutorial whereby if your hair is painful, how you can actually make it not to be painful after visiting the friseur, that is the salon. So I flip my hair so that all of them goes to one place, and then woo, it's just me, myself, and I. Oopsie. Ish. We can do it like that. Anyway, that was not the goal. So you can actually read it, but anyway, that is not the style. Not my goal. Have you ever gone to do something and then you discover something else? That is not the goal. Take all the hairs, roll them, roll out of them. Then I have something like that. Something like a bang. It doesn't look so good. We need to do the other one. Ooh la la la. So you see, with the hair held up, it's much easier. So remember, I hope you had placed your bandana well. What you do is, after you reach to this point, you add another fold. I hope if you haven't done your bandana, you have to rewatch the video. The other thing is how to tie the bandana. We've already folded it, now it's how to place it on your head for maximum results. So take the bandana, you see we have this side. You see, the way you fold like this, you have this side that is being created here. So that side, you're going to ensure that it faces towards the top, like that. Na 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 na. Like that, super easy. And so there's two ways in which you can decide to do this, and I'll show you. Let's first do this. This is the first way. Yep. For it to be like Tupac, one side most of the times has to be longer than the other side. Yeah, like that. Easy, right? Easy come, easy go. This is how we do it here. They tell me, just give me that like. Just give me that like, guys. So the other way, you can choose it to be a little, make more folds. If you make more folds, it's going to be much smaller. You can add just a little fold right there. Then you place it onto your ears. You see, it's not so small. Now you place it onto your ears, and then time to make that knot. Ta-da-dan, ta-dan, ta-dan. Like that. It's always good. You can do one, but for it to stick, you can do two. I told you one side has to be longer than the other side. The other time I placed it on this side, let me place it on this side so that you can see how amazing it looks. So like that. So another knot. Where is it? It is giving me no vibe, zero vibes. It's refusing to. Anyways, I'll just do one note. It looks amazing with one note. When I do two, I am ruining the vibe. So guys, remember, I'm going to place a bonus playlist in the description that has more tutorials. You can just check it out to see. Maybe you want to style your hair like YG, someone else like a Cholo, like who else we've done, like Eminem, I've done those tutorials and the link is in the description. And thank you so much for watching this far. Please just like the video, shares out there, tell someone about this channel, be like, you know what, there's this girl on YouTube, she does bandana tutorials, and then give them the link. Easy. Yeah. And also do subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any upcoming tutorial. Na 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 na. Looks amazing, right? I always love my outcomes because I know what I'm doing. Professional bandana stylist. Goodness gracious. See you guys on the next upload. And to watch more of my uploads, you can just click right here. Na na na. See you here.